Vice Chancellor, Professor Nyaudoh Ndaeyo cordially invites the university community and the general public to the 117th Inaugural Lecture of the University of Uyo, to be delivered by Eyo Effiong Ekpe,
a Professor of Cardiothoracic Surgery, Department of Surgery, Faculty of Clinical Sciences, College of Health Sciences,
University of Uyo, a shining light in his chosen profession, with many awards and laurels to show.
Join us as he delivers his inaugural lecture and the 117th Inaugural Lecture of the University, titled, My Chest, My Chest, My Chest, Relieving Chest Pain, Preventing Death and Restoring Health. Date, Thursday, August 28, 2025. Time, 3 p.m. Venue,
1,000-seated TETFund Auditorium, University of Uyo Main Campus, Nwaniba Road, Uyo.
Guests are to be seated by 2:45 p.m. Mrs. Blossom Okorie, Registrar and Secretary to Senate. Announcement.